Ya, tu atas tu mau pada kesian pada dia pada dia. Oleh apa le fino inga le sa o tu mai muai ile leituna etelino na ngai tatu onu. Alona ngai le tatu le toi fonofono le Upega. Ole mau po nga tamaliki mafale pulu e fa afsana e fa soa o lo iai de matapuia o lo iai de mafeonoi. These are values that are associated with mental well-being. In order to provide effective and ethical support, therapists are often guided by the values that prioritize empathy, respect, connection, and cultural sensitivity. Au SIVA le sa o mai moia o fai moina o le nifo oti o le pese na langi na le liki o loa Gracie.
Malolo paso mai ngalepa e moni le ia e moni masa le no chalanga e wingo foi le SIVA. The Aumaga dance group was put together. They started off as strangers, turned into brothers. Now they're a unit, they're a family. They're promoting not only the Samoa culture, but of course mental health awareness and mental well-being. For the months of November, I'm not sure if many of you know, it's well known as Movember. As you can see, my amazing mustache. Thank you. It's where we promote and talk about mental health for men. And more than mental health and we do not go deep into it. So one of the reasons why this dance group was put together is because it relieves stress. Le tele le bisi ngi no langa no ngala lo le tele o matwenga ka ko sha mo kene me fai ba la lapi o kuiponga asifa ngal from the person you've never met before e ando le stress man ma for tan Samoa. So the reason for the Aumaga is to relieve stress. You know what I do to relieve my stress? I usually look at a photo and it relieves my stress. It's the photo of none other than the beautiful woman on the shrink here with us tonight. I can't really see you, but I'm pretty sure you can see me. It's lovely having you here tonight. Amazing to my chatty, lovely to both my name and tattoo. No, I want to shake you well, or a round of applause. But of course, the support, we're going to be reading out some of our sponsors from making our event possible.
Yeah, originally our company Fonofono le company Fonofono Aliki, Tara Eyes, Native, Chicago, Ebony Corrales,
Super Tires, John Simple, KLSS, SNS Construction, Matt Well, Hotel Elisa, KL Security, and of course Brass Choppers for sponsoring our event tonight. And of course, our way of tonight is probably sponsored by wellbeing. And yes, don't forget, we will be giving merchandise. We'll put on our break. There will be a chance so you can go outside and buy merchandise from none other than the Aumaga dance group. Also, a kind reminder, just in case of an emergency, which I highly doubt, just follow the exit signs and you'll lead your way out. And of course, our bathrooms are that way. But without further ado,
tasian ye no fonta ye manu tatu mafia ole ala una tutunu olo yayo tatu VIP olo yayo sume fafenga olo yayo fio mali Sofia charo atu malena falalo apa ite wia le tuya tatu samali tafajeti mateo samali tatu wia mali tuya malena falalo.
Only on to go down on the time, DJ Bravo here with us tonight. Thank you for taking time out to put out the good sounds for the evening.
Yeah, until that was how the mic lazy tattoo SIVA, or SIVA or final in Talan Mai the Lani, or Masuso earlier SIVA, Fiber, Tamatana, Tetu Pataseto,
Yeah.